everyone, welcome back. My name is Madhura. You can call me Maddie, and I have with me Jyoti. You can call her Joe, and we're back with another reaction video today. And quickly, we're going to get into it because it's also a quickly do it request that's come on a DM, right?
Yes, I got a DM and said this is an amazing video and you must watch it. And
Okay.
it's got Ayushmann Khurrana in it, and he's someone I admire.
It's a
as
song.
an actor. No, I don't think it's a song. That's why it surprised me because trailer bhi nahi hai, song bhi nahi hai, lekin some kind of talk video it is, and
Okay.
it's called Gentlemen
Okay.
Kisse Kehte Hain. So
Okay.
I think it's a sponsored video. It's like an ad or something. Because in the description it says for the Man Company. So I'm not
Don't
sure.
they make like beard and grooming products for men? I think they do.
I don't know, but I think he's basically just talking about what defines a true gentleman today, which I would want to hear.
Okay.
I want to know this. So let's watch. Let's see what he has to say.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play. Stand-up comedy.
जेंटलमैन किसे कहते हैं? मर्द का एक स्टीरियोटाइप है, बड़ी माचो वाली हाइप है। वो घर चलाएगा, वो लड़की को बचाएगा, वो रोएगा नहीं, वीक नहीं होगा। मुझे लगा ये तो साला कुछ ठीक नहीं होगा। मुझे ना हीरो, ना सेवियर, ना सुपरमैन बनना था, जो रो सके, जो गा सके, किसी को बचा पाए तो बचा सके, ऐसा मैन बनना था। मैं हिंदी में सेंटी होता हूं, पंजाबी में गाता हूं, ऐसा मैन। टाई बांधना मुझे नहीं आता, पर खाना ठीक ठाक बनाता हूं, ऐसा मैन। तुम्हारी इंग्लिश स्लो है या फास्ट है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तुम गे हो, स्ट्रेट हो, तुम्हारी क्या कास्ट है मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I know that the ads have told you to play it too cool, and fathers asked you to be disciplined as if you're always in school. उन्होंने बोला जेंटलमैन बनो, बट ये भी बोला कि मैन का जेंटल होना खराब है, क्योंकि तुम्हें तो ऑनर बचाना है, जादू वाला परफ्यूम लगाना है, उसी से लड़कियां तुम पे मरेंगी। पर मरेंगी क्यों? उन्हें मरना नहीं चाहिए। मैं जहां हूं, जहां खड़ा हूं, उन्हें डरना नहीं चाहिए। पिंक और पिंक फ्लॉयड के बीच में वो कुछ भी पसंद कर सकता है। अंधेरा ज्यादा हो तो वो भी डर सकता है, क्योंकि वायलेंस उसके साथ भी हुआ है, पेट्रियार्की ने उसको भी गलत तरीके से छुआ है। वो जल्दी बड़ा होने के बोझ के नीचे बड़ा होता है, दिल उसका भी 300 ग्राम का ही होता है, पर उस पे लोहे का सोशल कवर चढ़ा होता है। उसे बस, कार और गन के खिलौनों में मत बांधो जब वो बच्चा हो। जरूरी नहीं कि ड्राइवर अच्छा हो सकता है कि मशीनों के काम में थोड़ा कच्चा हो, पर मर्द होने की इकलौती शर्त यही है कि सच्चा हो। अब जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरा पैशन गिटार हो, कूल हो, मेरे हाथ में लड़की के लिए फूल हो सकता है कि मेरे पास लंबी गाड़ी हो सकता है कि लाइफ की हर एक राइड पूल हो। तुम्हें पता है बच्चों को मैं भी संभालता हूं, वो थक के आती है तो जिंजर वाली चाय भी उबालता हूं। लड़का और लड़की में फर्क बहुत है, और ये फर्क खूबसूरत है, ये मैं जानता हूं, पर फर्क करने को सबसे बड़ा गुनाह मानता हूं। शायद इसीलिए अपने बेटे से कहता हूं कि जरूरी नहीं उनके लिए कुर्सी खींचना है, गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोलना, पर जब कुछ गलत हो सबसे पहले बोलना, क्योंकि 6 पैक से नहीं बनते हैं मर्द, ना ज्यादा कमाने से बनते हैं, ना चिल्लाने से, ना आंसू छुपाने से बनते हैं। किसी और को ठंड लगती है तो दिल उसका भी सर्द होता है, कि जिसको दर्द होता है असल में वही मर्द होता है। तू चाहे कारपेट पे सोए, चाहे रेड कारपेट पे चले, लेट मी टेल यू, यू आर द मोस्ट पावरफुल एज लॉन्ग एज देयर लिव्स अ जेंटलमैन इन यू।
I was just gonna ask who wrote this.
Mm-hmm.
Did he write this himself? Gaurav
I was going to
Solanki.
say I was going to ask who's the copywriter and probably which is the agency.
He's delivered it brilliantly.
Very nicely
It's
done.
written brilliantly and he's delivered it. The way he modulated that. I don't know if it was one take. If it was one take, then seriously, hats off. Chillana, the modulation there was fantastic. I loved it. Thoughts?
Like I said, I wanted to know who did the copy. Of course, it's guerrilla marketing because eventually you are also, you know, it's for a product, it's for a brand. But I also think it's a message that needs to be put out there. And the more you have people or celebrities or anybody who has any sway or influence putting such messages out there, it doesn't matter if it's for a brand or anybody. This needs to be put out there, you know.
Yeah.
And I think it was done very beautifully. The sound person in me was just getting annoyed with the fading and fading out of music, because there was a part where the music would fade out to for the impact, obviously, for him to deliver the line cold, and that was annoying me a bit because I was like, this could have been mixed a lot better. But that's just me nitpicking. But I think it's I hope it changes minds, and I hope that it has that kind of impact, because,
Yes.
like I said, it needs to be put out there. It needs to be said, um, you know, and people need to know that this is not really out of the blue, or it's not really extraordinary that is being expected of men. It's just a very decent human being quality. You know what I mean?
Also, he's the full points to the writer, because he's touched upon what's very important is that toxic masculinity harms not just the women but also the men. Because
Also the men,
you know, they at the end of the day, unka bhi dil 300 gram ka hi hota hai, and they also have the same feelings and they also feel the same emotions, and they are just unable to express it, which is like living in a jail. It's claustrophobic, right? You can't like, why can't you express? Why can't you cry? Why can't you just show your emotions? It's very toxic and it's just unhealthy, and that's why you have all these men punching walls and stuff, because they are just unable to release their natural
or
emotions.
taking it out on men, or taking it out on women and children, because they have no place else to take it,
comes
or
out
because
in
not
toxic
been,
ways. Yeah. So, and you know, I feel like yes, it is marketing and it's done by a company, but they picked the right actor for this, because and I'm just going to draw a comparison, because the two most successful actors today are a Ranveer Singh and an Ayushmann Khurrana, and in very different capacities, very people's actor and people's man, and you know, identifies easily with the common man. And this is he's I mean, he's a star and he's one of those. I mean, they're equal draw at the box office. There's no debating that. But Ranveer Singh, for example, will do a Ranveer Ching in his own comedic era, and he's perfect for that kind of an endorsement. He has that personality to carry off a Ranveer Ching character. But Ayushmann Khurrana and what he and his films and everything have stood for is a very relatable content, and so for him to deliver these lines is even more impactful, because the general public really identifies with him.
Yeah, I mean, he is an outsider. He has had humble beginnings and he's made it in Bollywood. Again,
his
it's
movies
also
always
he's a
have a
family
social
man.
message also.
Yeah,
So,
he's also you know, with him, and he's also seen as a wholesome actor, right? He's got a wife, he's got children, and they've also cleverly woven that right into the lines, that I also take care of the kids. अगर वो आती है तो अदरक वाली चाय मैं भी उबालता हूँ. So you know, I think those are things, when he says it, it's a lot more relatable than probably any other actor saying it, because he has that image. He is seen as a very, you know, boy next door. So I think a message like this would also, you know, go longer or further when it is delivered by somebody who also kind of is seen as living that in his real life.
Yeah, and let me tell you, I mean, this is for the audiences, whoever's watching this. Take it from women. A sensitive, emotional guy is a lot more attractive than someone who's being overly macho all the time. That's a real turn off. So,
True.
on
You
that
heard
note,
it from the horse's mouth. Yes.
on that note, that was a lovely suggestion. Thank you for recommending this video. And if you liked our reaction, please hit the like button, subscribe, and support us. And we will be back very soon. Oh, yes. And also comment with any other suggestions for other videos that you may have. And Maddie and I will be back again soon with another reaction. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye.